An OpenSky application can be denied because of eligibility requirements, incorrect information, identity verification issues, or problems during the application review process. By the end, you'll know why an OpenSky application may be denied, and the steps to take before submitting another application. The first step after a denial is to find the reason behind the decision. OpenSky may provide information explaining why the application was not approved. Reviewing that information helps you fix the actual issue instead of applying again with the same problem. One common reason for denial is inaccurate application information. If your name, address, income details, or other personal information does not match the information used for verification, the application may not move forward. Check every detail you entered before trying again. Make sure your personal information is correct and consistent across your documents and accounts. Another possible issue is identity verification. Credit card applications often require companies to confirm that the applicant's information is accurate. If the verification process cannot be completed, the application may be declined. Review whether you provided all required information and follow any instructions included with the denial notice. An application can also be denied if you do not currently meet the card's approval requirements. Every credit card has its own criteria, and approval decisions are based on the information available during the application review. Before applying again, review OpenSky's current requirements and make sure the card matches your situation. If you believe the denial was caused by incorrect information, correct the issue before submitting another application. Reapplying immediately without changing anything may lead to the same result. You can also review your credit information if you think there is an error affecting your application. Checking your records helps you identify incorrect details that may need to be corrected. The best way to handle an OpenSky denial is to understand the reason, fix any errors, and make sure your next application is complete. To summarize, OpenSky applications can be denied because of incorrect details, verification problems, or approval requirements. Read the denial information, correct any issues, and review the application requirements before trying again. Your next step is to check the reason for your denial and update any information that needs correction before submitting another application. If this guide helped you understand how to handle a denied credit card application, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations about financial products.